What's up everyone? Let's get some sun on my face, there we go. Welcome to another Let's Fishing episode. Winter's been long, but yeah, last night was the first time I actually got warm when I slept. So yeah, it's summer in the Western Cape. We're testing out some new products from I almost said Shapecraft, from S-Craft. Testing out the new Vanhunks Zambezi, and yeah, we're just gonna have some fun on the water today, so stay tuned. It's gonna be a really fun episode to watch, so don't miss it. Let's go. And Adam is also there. Yes guys, so on the new yak, I'm sitting up a bit higher than normal. Yeah, it's a little rocky. Maybe I should lower the seat a little bit. Let's see. Then faster. Let's set up this finder a little bit. A menu. So sensitivity. And that's good. Sharpness must be on. Contrast on the what must contrast be again? Let's see.
Other day I was Texas rigging my horny toes with like a half-ounce weight.
I know you do that. That's like so weird for me. Like there's so much better pitching presentation.
Yeah, but I had it on and it worked super well. I got some good bites in it.
It's true, eh? This place is not that great. This.
Well, the corner is even worse. Like in there, that's where we used to really hang out.
Yeah, and it's not good.
Well, there's fish, but there's no grass there now, so. But also today could be different.
That's a fish. Take it again. Take it again. That was a nicer one, felt heavier. There it is again. No, this is a light one. No, it's not that light. No, it's light. No, it's not bad. Not bad. Not bad. It's skinny, huh? Look at that skinny thing. Jeepers, on a drop shot on the new Zambezi. What? Oh yeah. Okay, let's check. I would think a freaking post-spawn fish would chow this thing.
They've been very lazy lately.
Yeah, but this is not a very aggressive bait. It's also lazy bait.
I'll point out all the places that I've got like decent fish where they should still be holding. Like the back of the against those reeds.
You see me skip a swim bait now. I'm going pro in 2023. Who's Martin the cook again? And Justy who?
Is there anyone in this country that you know of that, like, their full-time job is like sponsored fishing?
Niels Beneke.
Well, he's technically not here.
Oh, this is a nice spawning bank, eh? Oh, I see them here as well. There's a school of them here as well. I don't know if it's bluegill fry or bass. I don't know what it is, but I'm not seeing any mamas. Oh, I'm seeing a fish. No, I'm seeing one. Got him. Fry got it. That was cool. That was very cool. It's not a bad one. That was very cool. Yeah, bass fry. Small. Yeah. Nice fishy. Gopro, stop recording. Yes guys, just a middle of the day update. Fishing been alright. A lot of small ones here and there, big one. Adam lost a really nice one. But yeah, I'm mighty impressed with the new kayak. So yeah, I went with the Zambezi over the Pescador Pro. The reason why is the Pescador Pro is for me, just for me, is a little bit big for getting it onto my roof rack alone. I'm not that strong at all. So yeah, it's a very nice kayak and I can use it for estuaries as well. I'm planning to do a lot of estuary fishing December. So yeah, it's just a great all-rounder. My seat is very high. The kayak it rocks a little bit, but you're not going to tip it. Especially with the prop drive in and the rudder at the back. It's quite stable. Like I said, it does have a little bit more tilt than the Mahi, but it's a lot more freeboard. But yeah, you can stand on it very easily. You can just see my legs now. It's okay, I'm back. So yeah, I'm mighty impressed. Great maiden voyage, been catching a lot of fish. Just a really fun day out in the water. And I'm glad it's summer. Well, spring. Because winter was very slack. So yeah guys, see you later. Not that bad. Shibbit! Did you see my reel? Oh! It's still on there. Cheaper. No, it just came off the reel seat. It's still on there though. Oh, it's a nice one. And that's on camera. Oh.
It's so funny. I thought when I looked back, I thought you caught your frog. And you came back at me.
Did you see me catch the reel though?
No.
Yeah, I caught the thing.
So funny. And you still got the fish.
Oh. That's a nice fish.
What size is it?
Go 1.1-ish. Yes guys, so it's been a bit of a slow day. Let's call that nice one. 1.3 kilos. 1.3, right? Yeah. On a stroke popping frog, a little one, little baby one. So yeah, hopefully we figured something out. Maybe they're really just in the shallows and we've been fishing too deep. But yeah, that's the biggest one for the day so far. Freaking nice. Very nice fish. Fat and healthy. Loving the new Zambezi, loving everything. The new S-Craft battery, the new S-Craft 360 mount. I mean, it's nice to fish with affordable gear. I know they're performing on a high level, you know? So yeah, just makes fishing much easier. Being on the water, yeah, really nice. So yeah, let's put this one back and let's get another few big ones. See how black that fish is, so dark. It means it's been shallow. And that one was in fact shallow. Yes guys, sorry I'm whispering and the quality of the video is not great. I've got to do an outro for this video that I'm editing right now. I'm going on a big fishing trip tomorrow, so I'm getting out footage before I go on this fishing trip. Sorry for just the lack of videos, but it's coming now. It's really coming. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. The Zambezi was an awesome kayak, and it still is because I'm using it. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you guys soon.